title of our story is Pipa and Onyok by Andrea Guevara de los Reyes. Pipa and Onyok are best friends. One day, Pipa said, "Come to our cat party, Onyok." "But I am a puppy," said Onyok. "That's okay. You are my best friend," said Pipa. So Pipa and Onyok went to the party. There, Onyok saw a big cat. He was afraid. Who is she?" Onyok asked Pipa. "She is Estrelita. She is my cousin. She is a teacher." Then Onyok saw another big cat. He was more afraid. Who is she?" Onyok asked Pipa. "She is Maria. She is my sister. She is a policewoman." Then Onyok saw one more big cat. He was more and more afraid. Who is he? Meow. Meow. He is Manolito. He is my grandfather. He is a carpenter. Then Onyok saw a very, very big cat, and he was very, very afraid. Who is he? Meow. 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 He is Paulito. He is my father. He is a doctor. Onyok was very afraid. I want to go home, Pipa." Just then, Onyok saw another cat in front of him. "Hello, I am Alicia. I am 1 year old. I like to dance." Onyok smiled. "I am Onyok. I am 1 year old too. I like to dance too." "Come, let's dance," said Alicia. So Onyok and Alicia danced at the cat party. They talked and danced, and talked and danced. Soon, Onyok was not afraid of the big cats anymore.